Hello students, how are you? I think all you are fine and your online educations are going very well. This is SSJ and today I'll discuss percentage composition of the compounds. Okay, so percentage composition meaning what? It is defined as the number of parts by mass of each element present in 100 parts by mass of the compounds. Okay, here is the definition. It is defined as the number of parts by mass of each element present in 100 parts by mass of the compound. Okay. So, before starting percentage composition, I want to say this is very simple. Just imagine if I will ask you calculate the percentage of mathematics in your 10th level. So, what will you do? You just divide secured mark with total mark in 100. So percentage composition is very similar to that. Okay. So just try to understand some key points. It is defined as the number of parts by mass. So this is very important. Number of parts by mass, or simply you can say this is atomic mass. The total atomic mass of the elements. Okay, present in 100 parts by mass of the compounds. So here parts by mass means molecular mass. Okay, so here two things are there. One is atomic mass and second is molecular mass. Okay, so that means we have to calculate in 100 parts of a compound how many parts of an element is present. First you have to write the formula of the compounds and then calculate its total atomic mass, or you can say number of parts by mass of elements. Okay, so number of parts by mass of elements means total atomic mass, and then write its molecular mass, and finally calculate percentage composition as follows. So percentage composition is the number of parts by mass of each element. So that means you can say this is total atomic mass. Okay, you know what is atomic mass? I will explain what is total atomic mass. Okay, and by divided by molecular mass into 100, just like your percentage of mathematics. Okay, secure mark by total mark into 100. Okay, so let's take an example. Okay, here is the example. Calculate percentage composition of sodium sulfate. Okay, so let's solve it. Solution. First rule is the write the formula of the compound. Okay, so the formula of sodium sulfate is NO2SO4. Okay, and second is the write the number of parts by mass of each element. That means we have to write the total atomic mass of each element. So first is the sodium. Sodium has atomic mass 23 into how many sodiums are there? 2. So 2 equal to 46. So 46 is the total atomic mass, or you can say number of parts by mass of the sodium. Okay, and then go to sulfur. Sulfur, one atom is present, so it's 32 itself. And then go to oxygen. Atomic mass of oxygen is 16 and 4 atoms are there, so equal to 64. Okay, so these are the values of number of parts by mass of each element. Okay, now write the molecular mass. So molecular mass means we have to add these values. 46, 32 plus 60 equal to 142. Okay, now calculate percentage of sodium. Okay, so percentage of sodium equal to, you can say, its number of parts by mass. Total atomic mass is the 46. So 46 divided by molecular mass, 142 into 100, approximately 32.39. You just simplify, you will get the answer 32.39. Okay. And next go to sulfur. So percentage of sulfur equal to 32 divided by 142 into 100. If you simplify, you will get 22.5. Okay. And then go to oxygen equal to 64 divided by 142 into 100 equal to nearly equal to 45. Okay. So these are the percentage of different elements. Okay, now I'll give you two problems and try to solve yourself and send me the answer or write the answer in the comment box. Calcium carbonate and MgSO4. Okay, write the percentage composition of calcium carbonate and magnesium sulfate and write the answer in the comment box. If you are new in the channel, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Okay, in the next class I will send the empirical and molecular formula. Thank you so much.